Lynch is a reliable SME providing high-quality hydraulic motion control solutions for over 30 years. Our value to high-profile clients in aerospace and defense include global certifications, engineering and testing capabilities, project management, focus on risk mitigation, global certifications, and state-of-the-art manufacturing in North America.
Lynch has robotic machines tending robotic machines. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing plants allows us to minimize the labor cost differential of anywhere in the globe. How does this benefit you? This allows Lynch to manufacture high-quality products at cost-competitive pricing. Contact us with your opportunities for our automated cells.
Lynch has designed and manufactured manifolds for over 30 years. In that time, we've helped our customers in mining, construction, oil and gas markets solve thousands of hydraulic challenges. Think of our hydraulic design team as an extension of your team. Partner with a best-in-class supplier and let us help you serve your customers. Call us at 1-888-MANIFOLDS.